Virajana. Welcome to my healthy dairy farm. I have 7 cows and this is my cows, and my cows is eating grass with mixed turi. And that cow is sunbath. That cow is taking sunbath. Thank you. So these are my calves of my cows, and these are my calves of my buffaloes. Yes. Yes.
सिर्फ इसको बांधना पड़ेगा ना।
आंटी थोड़ा निकाल। अरे Hello friends, my name is Virajana, and today I will show you my cows. Cows eating fodder. These 2 cows eating fodder, and these 2 cows eating fodder, and there 2 cows eating fodder, and this buffaloes is eating fodder, and that buffalo is sitting, and this calf is eating fodder, and this
saying hello to you.
hello to you. And that calf is sad. Thank you. Now cows are ready to milking.